Python coding in a no-setup web-based environment relies on a team of services and technologies all working together behind the scenes. Understanding how they fit together can help you avoid common pitfalls early on. So let's meet each member of your Python development team and explore how they work together using a common workflow that starts with an AI prompt and ends with the output of a Python script. Google Colaboratory, or Colab, is a free web-based service hosted by Google, which allows for easy use of Jupyter Notebooks. It also provides a free computational environment in the Google Cloud in which your Python code is executed. It's useful for everyone from students to scientists, but it's particularly beneficial for people who want a soft landing into the incredible world of Python. Jupyter Notebooks are an open source web-based application that allow you to create and share documents containing live code, equations, visualizations, and narrative text. They make it easy to experiment with code, analyze data, and see results in real time. This makes them uniquely qualified to help you learn Python coding fast. Python is well suited for a vast range of applications, from web development to data analysis, machine learning, scientific computing, and simple automation. It's become incredibly popular due to its ease of use, versatility, and huge community. Python coding as a skill is also experiencing incredible growth in demand in the job market. GitHub is a web-based platform widely used for version control and collaborative software development. It's an essential tool for modern software development and a hub for the open source software development community. ChatGPT is an advanced LLM, or large language model, developed by OpenAI. It's designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the prompts it receives. We're using ChatGPT in this course, but you're free to use your own favorite AI, and we'll cover a list of the more popular ones a little bit later. Now that we've met the dev team, let's see how they work together to create a seamless environment that supports Python coding. We start by prompting AI for a snippet of code. It's worth noting now, and we'll also demonstrate it in a bit, that AI prompting isn't perfect. It can and does make more and more mistakes as the complexity of your coding requests increases. On the bright side, ChatGPT and other AIs are getting better all the time, so you can expect continuous improvement. The generated code can be copied and pasted into a notebook in Colab. Colab provides the web interface that allows you to work with code and text, courtesy of Jupyter Notebooks. Think of Colab like a wrapper around notebooks. You can either open an existing notebook saved on Google Drive or in a GitHub repo, or you can create a completely new notebook to add the snippet. Typing Ctrl+Enter or clicking the play button in the code cell will run the new script. Some magic has to happen in the background before this will work. Colab needs to connect to a back-end compute instance. Think of this like a free computer sitting somewhere on the internet, loaded with everything it needs to run your code. Once connected, the code in the cell is executed by the Python interpreter and the results return to the output just below the code cell. You will likely notice that the first execution in a new notebook takes longer than subsequent ones. That's due to the added time it takes to connect and initialize a fresh compute instance. In the exact same way, you can create and run code as often as you like at the click of a button. You can save your work to Google Drive, GitHub, or even your local machine. Colab allows for all these options and more. While this might seem like a lot of information right now, in practice you'll find that it's super easy to write and run code and observe the output in Colab. So let's get to it.